First of all, regarding this conference, a very good idea, having a conference for undergraduate medical students regarding, I'll say, future-ready doctors. So you are future doctors of our country, and state-of-the-art technology which is coming up in the medical field, challenges which are coming through shared experiences, through workshops. And before I came, the administration here, they showed me your state-of-the-art skill center also, how these advanced mannequins are being used for your training purpose. After that, I was briefed regarding the workshop which has been conducted yesterday and about the students who have come all over from different medical colleges of Telangana. So it was very heartening to see that such kind of conferences are happening, and it will definitely help you in your future career.
Thank you for taking time to be with us today. We are truly grateful for your encouragement and support of PRAANA. It also gives me great pride to share that this vibrant undergraduate conference, PRAANA, is hosted by Prathima Institute of Medical Sciences, an institute committed to nurturing excellence, innovation, and compassionate healthcare professionals. PRAANA, as the name represents life force, which means energy, vitality, and purpose. You all have truly brought that spirit to life. As we come to the close of PRAANA 2026, let us take a moment to reflect on what we truly experienced over the past. PRAANA was just not a conference, it was a platform where curiosity met courage, where ideas found expression, and where each one of you stopped a little closer to becoming not just doctors, but thinkers, innovators, and leaders. Over the last 2 days, we have witnessed something truly inspiring. We have seen confidence, collaboration, and creativity come alive through presentations, discussions, and meaningful conversation beyond textbooks. Beyond knowledge, what is shared here is called the connection. The relationships you form today, your peers and mentors, will shape your journey ahead. At the same time, as medicine evolves with advancements like artificial intelligence, it becomes even more important to remember technology can only support care, but at the end of the day, it can never replace empathy, human judgment, and compassion. But more than anything else, what stood out here is the energy of all your students, the energy of the young minds that determined to make a meaningful difference. Because the world no longer needs doctors who only diagnose, but it needs doctors who question, who innovate, who empathize, and who lead. The true value of the conference lies in what you take it forward from here. Carry forward the confidence to express your ideas, carry forward the courage to question what already exists, and most importantly, carry forward the responsibility to continuously grow. Before we conclude, it is important to acknowledge the people who made this journey possible. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our respected faculty and mentors for your constant guidance, encouragement, and support. To the organizing team, your effort, dedication, and attention to detail have made PRAANA 2026 a grand success. I even thank all the students of Prathima Institute of Medical Sciences who did all the hard work and worked day and night to make PRAANA 2026 a huge and grand success. And to every participant here, you are the reason this conference had meaning. Your enthusiasm, your ideas, and your willingness to step forward made these 2 days truly special. Before I conclude, I want to leave you with one thought. In your journey ahead, there will be knowledge, there will be skill. But what truly defines you is how you choose to use them. Because being a doctor is not just a profession, it is a position of trust. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Keep exploring, keep expanding, and most importantly, keep excelling. Thank you.